So Jahvy and Jaiifrais get bail under some very strict conditions today. In which them have to submit them travel documents and report to the station 3 times a week, and no posting or sharing anything on social media. So listen to Jaiifrais attorney, Isat Buchanan.
The complainant slash accused men are not to discuss each other or talk about the case on social media.
Was that against the background of what has been happening already, or was it a preventative measure by the court?
It was more preventative by the court, given the complexity of the matters and the antagonistic positions taken by both parties.
Okay. Have you seen that before?
The social media orders,
Yeah.
Diana, I always take a certain approach about the sub judice rule as well as just freedom of expression generally. But I have seen orders where it is really not to interfere with witnesses. And so I do take the court's guidance in this particular situation so as not to irritate or agitate parties involved.
No, certainly I understand that.
Right, so I must put on record that it was a reasonable order.
Okay. Another time, because I don't want people to think it's necessarily in the context of this case, but another time we should have a wider discussion on the sub judice rule, because
Yes,
I
that's why I tell you that I take a particular course in terms of freedom of expression, and especially from where you sit, what is the journalist's duty, and especially to disseminate information, especially in cases where the matter is somewhat of public interest. But as you said, a discussion for another day.
Yes, I mean, I'm on record saying I think it's overly broad and quite likely unconstitutional, but another time. So the gun court, and again, because we heard the proceedings today were in gun court, earlier the first appearances had been in halfway tree, I think.
That is so.
Right, so can you explain for my listeners what happened and what the gun court means?
Alright, so the gun court is a specialized court, so naturally when it comes to matters relating to firearms, the matter is usually transferred to the home circuit gun court or in other, and so for that reason, it's an in-camera court, so it's actually not open to the public generally, and because of the nature of the offenses being firearm, the matter was transferred to that court, as in it's the court of jurisdiction, and so the first official appearance in relation to the charges was before the court. Very happy that bail was offered today, and that my client didn't have to wait for a bail hearing date.
Okay.
So we're
And bail has already been taken up?
The bail is taken up as of now, so that is one.
So he's no longer in custody?
That is correct.
Okay, alright. So it's on to the next. So the next hearing will be mentioned date, assess the status?
Mentioned date July 8th, but we are ready to proceed. As I said, matters like this have been previously ventilated before the Privy Council, and so we are looking forward to our day in court.
Alright, we'll be following very closely, and we appreciate the update as always. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you, take care.
Alright, Isat Buchanan talking to us there, attorney at law representing vlogger Jaii Fraiis. Alright.